So building the right salon clientele takes time, but sometimes we don't have time. Maybe you just had a new team member who just joined your team, or you're opening a new salon and you just need to get clients in. In this video, I'm going to share 5 different tactics you can employ to get new salon clients fast. So if this is the first time we meet, my name is John Hallberg and I run the salonbusiness.com as well as this YouTube channel, and this is where I share the best ideas and strategies for how you can get new clients and ultimately grow your salon business. So if you're serious about growing your business, make sure you smash that subscribe button and notification bell. This way you will be notified every time I publish new content on the channel. So what I'm going to share in this video might contradict some of the things I've been talking about in previous videos on this channel. You know, this video is not about having the perfect brand strategy, looking beautiful on the website, the social media feed and all your strategies, getting everything right. No, this video is about how you can get salon clients fast, which means that we might need to compromise on some things because now we're desperate and it needs to be fast. So I'm going to share 5 different tactics you can use to get a new client in already tomorrow. So the first thing you're going to need is a really good offer. A really good offer that is something that really makes your client or potential new client make that decision to book with you for the first time. So you need to provide a lot of value here. And you know, let's be clear. So I'm not talking about discount. I would be super careful, even if I'm desperate, to start discounting myself. You know, we want to avoid that path. Instead, you want to provide value. So try to put together a package where maybe you sell a haircut or a hair service or whatever your salon offers. And then you add more value into that package, but make it so attractive that it's really want them to take you on that offer and make the decision already now to book you the first time. And a good offer also should include an element of time sensitivity. So this is not an offer that is available all the time. This is an offer that is on today, or it's an offer that is on, you know, this week. Try to give a specific reason for why you're doing the offer. This also helps motivate, you know, why you're giving so much value right now compared to otherwise, just to also set the standard that, you know, this is not something that your clients should expect all the time. This is an offer that you have on right now and it's for this specific reason, which could be, you know, a new member of staff joining, or, you know, I'm sure you have reasons for why you really need to get clients fast. So whatever that is, you're just opening and you're doing a special opening for people in the area. It's only today or it's only this week. But make it time limited, make it a lot of value, something that they feel, I need to jump on this offer now or I'm missing the train. So the next thing you need to do is to maximize your existing list of emails or your social media following to get people to take your new offer. So hopefully you've been doing some great work over the last weeks and months to make sure that you have an engaged following, that you've been providing value, so they really want to open the emails you send and so on. And now is the time to go for the sell. Now is the time to push your offer and to get people to book. And if you're sending this to existing clients who are already clients of yours, the best is, of course, if you can combine this offer with some type of recommend a friend type of scheme or something where when you bring a friend, that's when you get the value of the offer. You know, you want to make sure that you're achieving that objective of getting new clients fast and not just giving value to your existing clients, because that's not the intent here, right? But really that is something where they bring a friend in or something, that's when, you know, you get access to this attractive offer. So the third thing you can do now that you've exhausted your list, you have a great offer in place and you're sending this to all your social media and all your email followers, is also to make sure you use your salon. You know, use your window, put a sign outside or create some visibility on the street with your offer that this is on right now, because obviously people who are walking past your salon, if you have a good location, they're obviously the prime target for your salon because they probably live or work in the area. So make sure you also use those existing places that you have. It's not only about digital marketing, but really get your offer out there, because you want to get someone new to book already tomorrow with you, right? So you need to have the right visibility, turn the speakers out, put them outside the salon doors. People need to see that you're there, and especially if you just opened, and create some buzz and disrupt so that people walking by see that you're there. They see the great offer that you have. That is time limit, that is this week only. They need to jump on it and to get that first client through the door. So the next thing you can do is to get an influencer to promote your offer. So you have your great offer in place, you're sending it out to your existing followers, to your email list, you're creating visibility on the street so no one in the area can miss that this is happening. If you have within your clients also someone with a large audience on their social media, talk to them, give them some incentive to push this, that now there's a special offer, it's happening only this week. and that they can promote that on their social media as well and to their following. This can also be a very effective way to reach new audiences and get them through the door. So another tactic you can use to attract new clients fast would be using Facebook ads. So I'm a big advocate of focusing in on like search first, having a good presence. But obviously that's always dependent on people searching, and how many people are searching depends a bit every day, how many people are searching for your type of service in your area, and you might not be able to make sure that that will really lead to a new client already tomorrow. With Facebook ads, you can reach a big audience fast, and that's the power of using these type of paid mechanisms for advertising your salon. And this works extra well when you have an attractive offer in place in your salon. Because you need to remember that it's very different. Like when people are looking for a service, they're already looking for what you offer. So all you need to do is to show up and be visible with what you have and present that in the right way to get the booking. But when you're doing like a Facebook ad, what you're really doing is that you're interrupting this person when they are socializing with their friends, looking through their feed and so on. So you need to give them a very good reason to stop doing that and to care about what you have to say and to book with you. You need to interrupt that whole journey of that user, which means that you need to have a really attractive offer that you put in front of them. So this works very well to get new clients in fast. As you know, I'm an advocate in general for more sustainable type of strategies to grow a healthy clientele over time. I think this is more tactical, but it's still very powerful. And during certain circumstances, it's certainly the right thing to do. So Facebook ads you can use when you have already sent this to your existing email list, your social media followers. You're using an influencer that is in your clientele to promote your offer. You're maximizing the salon space, you're turning the speakers out, or whatever you're doing to make sure that people on the street knows that you're there and you have your attractive offer. Facebook ads would be a great way to level this up and reach even more people. Okay, so these were the 5 tactics that you can use to get salon clients fast. Now, a little bit of caution to all this. I prefer and I really recommend that you think about your business in a more strategic and long-term way. When you go for these shorter term tactics to really get someone in tomorrow and you haven't done all the groundwork right, it can come to some expense of your brand and the image of your salon. So you should be careful, and but sometimes there's certainly reason to be a bit more aggressive and to do these type of things. And that's why I wanted to create this video. But to learn more about how you can build a salon clientele in a sustainable way, I'm also leaving a link here next to me, and that's where I go through some of the fundamentals that I strongly recommend you look at, to build your clientele and to build and grow your salon business in the long run. So check out that video and you'll get even more ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some new ideas, and maybe you'll get a new client in tomorrow. If you did, make sure you also subscribe to this channel, because there's more ideas coming here every week and you don't want to miss out on that. So thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day.